everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here once again. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook something really special. It's special to me anyway because I love it so much. It's bacon wrapped asparagus, but it's got a bit of a difference. It's got Parmesan cheese included and I love that stuff. Please stay with me, watch this very short video right to the end and you won't be disappointed. So for this very simple dish we're going to need obviously some asparagus. I've got 2 packs here. I've got some streaky bacon that's unsmoked. I've got this garlic granules, some sea salt, some Parmesan cheese just there that's been grated up, and we're going to need a little bit of pepper as well. So we make a start by prepping the asparagus. You snap off the bottom bits because we don't want those, they're a bit tough and you know how to do it. Then in a bowl I've got my Parmesan cheese, to which I'm going to add some garlic granules, in that goes, some black pepper and of course a little bit of sea salt. Mix this all together nicely and then we'll be ready for the next step. Onto a plate I'll go with the asparagus. Sprinkle a little drop of water on just to make the spices stick and then sprinkle them on. Well, spices and the cheese I should say. Now carefully line them up and wrap around your bacon. Well, I've been using the streaky bacon. I thought find this one's easier to wrap around. Try and make a neat little parcel if you can, nice and tightly. Oh look at that, that's perfect. There we go, there's the first one done. And then I like to give it a little roll in the Parmesan cheese, get it to stick around the outside of the bacon. Well, it does this quite easily really. A little sprinkling over the top. You don't have to do this if you don't want, but you know, it all adds to the flavour. Into a pan on the hob, hefty amount of olive oil goes, then we can add some butter, little knob of butter there, get that melted down, and then we can pop in our little parcels. Oh, they look cute, don't they? And while these are cooking, which takes about 5 to 10 minutes, it gives you a chance to subscribe to my channel, press that button and ring that bell for notifications. And then you end up with this. They look the best, don't they? You simply must try this for yourself. You're worth it. Don't forget guys, give me a like, subscribe to my channel and you'll see all my future videos and all the old ones from the past too. Enjoy!